Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today I brought you something special, yummy, easy, 2-in-1 recipe. If you like, you can eat it like this, like a pizza. And if you like, you can eat it like this. Perfect for your lunch box or for eating at home. Look at what we have here. Let me show you how I prepared it. That is the water I'll be using for preparing it. I poured it into a pot and I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. Now you can see the water is boiled. It is now time to introduce the 2-minute noodles into it. I'll be using chicken noodles. Feel free to use any kind of flavor that you like. I'm using 2 packs of chicken 2-minute noodles. So after adding it into the water, I'm going to add the ingredients that came with the 2-minute noodles. We all know this is normal, that it comes with its own seasoning, and that is the exactly seasoning I'll be using. And I'm going to prepare it like we prepare normal 2-minute noodles. If you want it softer, you can leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes longer and it will be softer. Okay, so after adding both into it, we are using 2 packs and I'm just going to cover it now and allow it to cook. After a minute, I opened it, gave it a gentle stir, and then I covered it and allowed it to cook till soft for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now this is ready. I'm going to keep it for later use. Into this bowl, I'm going to break the eggs I'll be using. I'm using 4 eggs in total. That is what I have there. So it's now time to whisk it together. Feel free to use your hand mixer if that is what you like to use. If you have watched this video up to this stage, I'm saying thank you. Kindly remember to subscribe. Remember to follow us. Thank you. Into another pot, I'll be adding some olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil. Heat it up and spread it all over. A non-sticky pot is the best for this. And I'm going to pour it, the whisked egg. I'm going to sprinkle some paprika, chili, and seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead now and spread the 2-minute noodles on top of this egg now. That is what I'm doing right now. Spread it well as much as you can. Don't mix it together at this stage. Allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Check it if it is ready to be flipped. So it's now time to flip it. After flipping it, leave it, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes again. Then this is what you're going to have. Look at this. The aroma here is super. I'm going to use this tortilla in this pot. That is tortilla bread. I'm just going to eat it for about a minute or 2. I'm using 2 rolls. This one is ready. Feel free to eat it like this. It is super delicious and this combo is the best, I'm telling you. Look at how it is. Looks like pizza, right? Eat it and you will not even believe you're still eating 2-minute noodles. Yummy. That is our tortilla bread. It is now okay. I hate it front and back and I'm using 2 pieces of it. So I cut part of our noodle eggs. I placed it into the middle and I rolled it up. This combo is another masterpiece. I'm telling you, you can eat it like this with your coffee, with your cocoa drink, or you place it in your lunch box. It is too good. Make sure you give this a try and I bet you're going to love it. Everyone asks for more. This is very, very delicious, filling and stress-free to prepare. Thanks for watching.